Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube keeps crashing. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your app drawer and close all apps and reopen YouTube on your device and see if it runs smoothly then. If that does not work, what you can do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you'll have to tap on apps and then tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of YouTube and try reopening the app. If that does not work, what you'll have to do is head back over to your settings and then tap on storage. Make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space, as if your device storage is nearly full, it will cause app crashes and it will cause your device to slow down. If these two boxes check out, what you can do is head over to Play Store and then head over to search and search for YouTube in the search bar. Once you're here, simply tap on update if there are any updates to YouTube, as YouTube updates may speed up YouTube and cause less crashes. If that does not work, what you'll have to do is head over to your app drawer and then long press on YouTube and uninstall it from your device if your device allows you to do so, and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.